What if you could manage dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of social media accounts from one dashboard without buying stacks of phones, running risky emulators, or worrying about account bans? For years, marketers, agencies, e-commerce sellers, and creators have struggled with one major problem: scaling mobile accounts safely. Today, I'm showing you a platform that's changing the game completely. Meet GeeLark, the world's first cloud phone solution designed to help you manage multiple Android devices directly from your computer while maintaining unique device identities for every account. And the best part? These aren't emulators. They're real cloud phones running full Android systems with unique fingerprints, making them look and behave like genuine mobile devices. Let's dive in. Most account management tools focus on browsers. GeeLark takes a completely different approach. Instead of creating browser profiles, GeeLark provides actual Android cloud phones running in the cloud. Think of it like having dozens of real smartphones available instantly without needing physical devices on your desk. Each cloud phone operates independently and includes unique hardware identifiers, unique MAC addresses, unique device fingerprints, independent system settings, separate environments. This means every account appears to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and other mobile apps as a completely different user. That's incredibly important because modern platforms increasingly rely on mobile device data to detect suspicious behavior. GeeLark solves this challenge by providing authentic mobile environments at scale. Let's look at the cloud phones inside GeeLark. When you create a new profile, you're essentially launching a dedicated Android device in the cloud. GeeLark supports Android 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the latest Android 16. We have added compatibility for Android 16 now. This flexibility is useful for testing apps across different Android environments or running specific applications that require certain Android versions. Each cloud phone behaves like a real Android device. You can install applications, log into accounts, upload videos, browse websites, run social media apps, perform daily activities, and because every cloud phone has its own independent identity, platforms see them as separate devices. This creates a much safer environment for account management compared to traditional approaches. One of GeeLark's strongest features is its unique device fingerprint technology. Every cloud phone comes with its own hardware ID device parameters, system configuration, MAC address, fingerprint profile. This creates complete isolation between accounts. For marketers, agencies, and businesses managing multiple accounts, this can significantly reduce the risk of account association. Instead of multiple accounts appearing from the same device environment, each account operates from its own unique mobile identity. That level of separation is crucial when scaling operations. GeeLark isn't just a cloud phone platform, it also includes powerful AI capabilities. Inside the library section, you'll find AGZ tools that help generate unique images and videos. This can speed up content creation workflows and help teams produce more creative assets efficiently. GeeLark also includes an AI assistant powered by DeepSeek. Whether you're learning how to use the platform or looking for guidance on specific tasks, the AI assistant can help answer questions directly inside the software. This makes onboarding much faster, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful parts of GeeLark: automation. GeeLark includes three major automation systems: RPA Synchronizer API. Let's start with RPA. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. GeeLark provides ready-made automation templates for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These templates can automate repetitive tasks such as logging in, posting content, engaging with content, managing accounts. And if the pre-built templates aren't enough, you can create your own custom workflows. Next is Synchronizer. This feature allows you to control multiple cloud phones simultaneously. Imagine opening one primary window. Every action you perform gets mirrored across all selected cloud phones. That's a huge time saver for businesses managing large numbers of accounts. And finally, the API. For developers and advanced users, GeeLark offers API access that allows integration with custom workflows and external systems. This unlocks powerful automation possibilities for enterprise users. Managing proxies manually can quickly become frustrating. GeeLark simplifies the entire process. You can import and organize all your proxies in one place. When creating new profiles, simply select a proxy from your saved list. No need to repeatedly enter credentials or configuration details. This makes large-scale account management much more efficient. GeeLark also includes a built-in app store. You'll find applications covering social media, e-commerce, video editing, productivity, and more. If an app isn't available, you can upload APK files directly. For teams, GeeLark provides collaboration tools that make managing projects much easier. You can create custom roles, assign permissions, share profiles securely, manage team access, and streamline workflows across departments. So who should use GeeLark? First, social media marketers. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube increasingly prioritize mobile-first experiences. GeeLark allows marketers to manage multiple mobile accounts without juggling physical devices. Second, e-commerce sellers. Whether you're operating stores on Amazon, Shopee, TikTok Shop, or other platforms, GeeLark helps create isolated environments for store management. Third, account farming operations. Managing large numbers of accounts becomes significantly easier when every profile has its own cloud phone. Fourth, crypto airdrop participants. Many crypto projects now require mobile applications and Telegram interactions. GeeLark makes managing multiple mobile accounts much more efficient. And finally, app developers. Instead of purchasing numerous physical devices, developers can test applications across multiple Android versions and environments directly inside GeeLark. A common question is, why use GeeLark instead of Android emulators? Traditional emulators often share identifiable characteristics that platforms can detect. GeeLark takes a different approach by providing cloud phones with unique mobile identities and dedicated environments. This creates a more realistic mobile experience while reducing many of the limitations commonly associated with emulators. For businesses that rely heavily on mobile platforms, that's a major advantage. If you're serious about scaling social media operations, managing multiple mobile accounts, automating repetitive workflows, or testing apps across different Android environments, GeeLark is definitely worth exploring. What impressed me most is that it combines cloud phones, AI tools, automation, proxy management, and team collaboration into a single platform. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything is centralized in one ecosystem. Check out the link in the description to learn more about GeeLark and see how it can fit into your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology, AI, automation, and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.